Okay, go ahead.
Oma, I'm going to read you a story.
What's it called?
Cat.
Okay.
Cat. Cat can tap. Cat can tap.
Mm-hmm.
He can tap a... he can tap a pan.
Good job.
He can tap a...
Sound it out.
can.
Good job.
He can tap a pan. It can. He can tap a fan. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
Good job.
Cat can nap. Cat's napping. I want to see it.
I say goodbye, Oma.
Bye, Oma.